This drill is two ball dribble pass. Yung isa magdi-dribble and yung isa pumapasa sa pader. No? So this will improve your hand and eye coordination also. This drill is one arm pass. So kailangan malalakas at mabilis to hanggang sa maubos yung oras na pinapagawa ko sa inyo. So nakakangalay to pero this will improve your passing. This drill is one dribble cross then pass. So pag pass, kakatch mo siya ng one hand and then dribble, then crossover, then pass. This will improve your dribbling and passing. This drill is one dribble between the legs, then pass. So, pag between the legs nyo, kailangan between split. So, may footwork. One dribble, then catch in one hand, between the legs, then pass. Mag-improve neto yung one hand passing ninyo. This drill is one dribble behind the back, then pass. No? So, kakatch mo na isang kamay, then one dribble, then behind the back. So, mag-improve dito yung one-hand passing nyo. This drill is between blow by, then pass, no? So, you have to between, then blow by. Dapat yung naisip nyo, atakihin nyo, then pass. So, mag-improve dito yung one-arm na pass nyo. At the same time, yung reaction ninyo. Pag nakita nyo yung kakampi nyo na open, you can pass na. This drill is the behind the back, speed stop, then pass, no? So, yung atakihin mo siya talaga, then behind the back, speed stop, then pass, no? So, maganda to mga ka-bowlers, lalo na kapag ka meron kang kakampi na bigla nag-open, then may kalabang ka sa harap. So, you have to drive, then behind the back, speed stop, then pass. This drill is fake, then step through, then pass, no? So, yung maganda tong drill na to, lalo na kapag may mga post-up players tayo. So, ito kasi kayong kalimitan ginagamit na pass para mapasa natin sa ating mga post players. So, fake pass, then step through, then pass. This drill is behind the back pass. So, you have to do behind the back pass, then catch it with both hands, and then do the behind the back pass. No, paulit-ulit lang to.